So I decided to make a video on activating your Create software because daily there's people having issues getting it activated. And the issue, I know what the issue is, but anyway, the first thing you're going to do is go to starcraftvinyl.com/create. And then you're going to come to this page, okay? You're going to put your serial number from the bottom of your machine here in this first field. And then you're going to click on Get Create Serial Number. That's going to generate a long number, and you're going to right-click on that and then copy it, all right? Once you've done that and you open up your Create software and click on Activate, you're going to have this box here. And what you're going to do is you're going to, let me zoom in here just a little bit. I know it might be blurry, but you're going to put your name here, and then you're going to right click and paste that serial number that you got from the StarCraft website here. You're going to make sure this box is not checked and click OK, and it should activate for you. What's happening is people are putting their serial number from the bottom of their machine here, and then I've seen where it even shows up down here for activation code, and then they're putting their activation code here. That's wrong. You enter your name here, and then you right click and paste that code from the website here and click OK, and you should be good to go. Okay? Thanks for watching.